Welcome back to my video, guys. Thank you for clicking back in. I have a new video today and I'm going to be baking cookies, and tomorrow is Sunday. The answer is Sunday. What would be the question? Father's Day. Alright, so tomorrow is Father's Day, so I'm thinking about baking some cookies for my dad. We're going to be doing peanut brownie and chocolate chip cookie. So we're going to start with the peanut brownie. I'll probably put the list of ingredients on the side here. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, first of all, guys, I'm doing ×3 of this recipe. So I firstly measured out 3 cups of the peanuts because we're going to be roasting them in the oven. So they're in the oven at the moment. Secondly, we're going to be measuring out 375 grams of butter and 3 cups of sugar. Cream it. Alright, so I'm going to quickly go cream this and get that over and done with. Finished creaming my butter and my sugar. Now I'm going to add 3 eggs. Uno, dos, tres. And again, I want those to be mixed up. Next, we're going to be putting all the dry ingredients. Don't forget you've got your peanuts in the oven. I've put them on 180 for 10 minutes and then they've just gone off. I've mixed them around and I've put them on for another 10 minutes. And that was 3 cups worth. So I think that was a 500 gram actual peanuts. So I basically just used the whole bag because there was like only that much left. So we want 4.5 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 pinches of salt, and last thing is 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I'm going to chuck that all in right now because I want this video to be real quick, and I'll see you after. Okay, I've got all my dry ingredients here. I'm going to mix it all up. So that's done, but we've also got to put our peanuts in. Here's the peanuts. 1 peanut, 2 peanut.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Okay, so you can actually buy the like the blanched peanuts, which already are naked without the skin. But I know my nana, she actually buys them with the skin and roasts them and gets rid of the skin. Maybe that's why everyone loves their cookies, because it's just another way. I actually didn't plan this through. I don't know how I'm going to get rid of these skins, because this is a mission. If you guys want, you can just get the blanched ones, or some people actually just use them with the skins. It's just whatever you prefer. Oh my gosh. Yay, I finally got the peanuts in, so now I want to mash it all together. These are peanut brownies. Would you like some brownie with those peanuts? Goodness gracious. I'm just going to use some baking paper because it's just so much easier. What you want is a teaspoon. So once you've done these, you're going to get a fork and just press them down. So you want to put these in the oven at 180 for about 15 minutes, if you think all ovens are different, so just cook them until they're baked, and I'll see you soon. The chocolate chip cookies. So again, I'm going to do it ×3, so I get a lot more out of it. Yeah, so again, we need 375 grams of butter, and also 1.5 cups of brown sugar and 1.5 cups of caster sugar. And again, we're going to cream that so it's nice and fluffy. Then we're going to add all the dry ingredients as well. Oh, and also the eggs and stuff. So let's just smash that out now. Okay, so I've mixed my butter and my sugar, the brown sugar and the caster sugar. I've creamed it. Now I'm going to add 3 eggs. Tahi. Toru. Right, give that a good mix. We want to add our 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So it just gives it that extra flavour. And then we're going to be adding the dry ingredients, and that is 5 1/4 cups of flour, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and then last is 1.5 cups of chocolate chippies. So I'm gonna add that and then I'll see you quickly soon. Okay, basically I've added all the dry ingredients in and I've mixed it all together and it looks like that. So it's exactly the same as our last cookie. We're gonna be rolling them all out and I'll get back to you once I've done all that. So for the chocolate chip cookies, I put them in the oven for 160 fan for about 12 minutes, and I've actually had to add like an extra minute, so I'd say 13-14 minutes. The first batch have come out and I've actually put some coloured M&Ms on. I've just done that with the first batch, and the second batch I'm going to leave plain, so it's just your normal chocolate chip cookie. And yeah. Okay guys, as you can see we've got our chocolate chip with M&Ms. We've got our chocolate chip cookie, and then we've got our peanut brownie cookie. So they came out great. What we want to do is, if you've got a jar at home, I just got these, and all we want to do is just fill the jar up with the cookies. So. Now you've got your jar of cookies, and if there's some ribbon lying around somewhere in your drawers, it'll just be nice to wrap it around, tie it up, just like that. And if you've got a little card to go on it too, that'll be nice. Just like that. And voila, there is your Father's Day jar of favourite cookies as a gift. Going to be giving away both these jar of cookies for Father's Day. All you basically have to do is like, subscribe and comment down below which jar of cookies you'd like. Would you like the chocolate chip or the peanut brownie? And unfortunately you have to be in the Kerikeri region because tomorrow's Father's Day and it'll be too hard if you don't live in Kerikeri. So yep, please go do that if you want to win. Yeah, and I'll pick the lucky winners tonight. So I actually got both these recipes off the Chelsea website, so I'll put that down in the description. I hope you like this video, and to whoever the people that win these, I hope you enjoy eating them. And yes, hope everyone has a lovely day tomorrow. Happy Father's Day. See you in the next one.